Hey Dan, are you ready for your Microsoft Build presentation?
I think so, but I'm looking for the mural. Do you happen to remember the name of it?
No, I do not.
That's okay. I think Copilot can help us find it. Okay, great. So I think we have the mural, but you have an agenda for this, right?
No, I do not have agenda either.
Okay, hang on. I think I can get Copilot to help us with that too. Okay, so we have an agenda now. I think we're pretty prepared, right? Or do we need a script?
I mean, if Copilot can generate that, it would be great.
All right, let's see if it can do it. And then I think we'll be ready. Okay, so we have a script, we have an agenda, and we have the mural. I think we're ready to go. What about you?
Well, let's get started.
Okay, so today we're excited to talk to you about how to unlock your team's potential with Mural and Copilot. My name is Dan. I'm with Mural, and I'm a senior product manager on the workflows and integrations team. And I'm joined by Ankita.
Hi, I'm Ankita. I am senior engineering manager for workflows and integrations team. Our team is responsible for building Microsoft integrations, including Copilot. And we are excited to demo with you today.
So today we're first going to start by giving you an overview of Mural so we can tell you who we are and what we're about. And then we'll dig in a little bit more into our Mural and Copilot integration that is powered by the Mural Graph Connector. And then finally, we'll switch gears a little bit and talk to you about some exciting updates coming to our Azure DevOps integration.
So who we are and what do we do? Mural is a leading digital workspace that enables teams to collaborate visually to drive more impactful business outcomes. Mural integrates with many of the developers' team's favorite platforms, such as Azure DevOps, Team, GitHub, and more. Development teams love Mural because it makes meetings more fun, productive, and inclusive. Managers love Mural too because it makes planning, aligning, and hiring easier and seamless, as you will see in the demo. To empower the teams, Mural provides on-demand training programs and professional services that delivers business results.
Some of the ways that our team uses Mural is for architectural diagrams, evaluating solutions, story mapping, breaking down work and planning work, and even for evaluating candidates in our hiring process.
Mural is secured and private. Mural is built for enterprise teamwork and is designed with the security, privacy, and protection in mind for today's global workforce. Mural is trusted by 95% of Fortune 100. Mural offers greater visibility, security, and control over companies' usage of Mural. Mural is proud to be the only visual collaboration software that is Microsoft 365 certified.
Mural has been working with Microsoft for many years. In fact, from the very beginning, Mural was built on Azure, which makes us the only visual collaboration product that can be purchased through the Azure Marketplace with your Azure commitment spend. So if you've made a commitment to spend a certain amount on Azure consumption, you can actually spend some of that commitment to purchase Mural through the Azure Marketplace. We're also integrated across the Microsoft ecosystem. And today we're very excited to talk to you about two of those integrations. The first one will be Copilot, and then we'll talk about our Azure DevOps integration. So we're going to start by digging into Copilot a little bit more. You already saw in the beginning that you can use the Mural Graph Connector in combination with Copilot, such that you can use Copilot to help you find murals, read the content of murals, and help you generate new content such as an agenda or a script. But it's also really good at just summarizing the content of a mural.
So how does Copilot work with Mural? Copilot is empowered by Mural Graph Connector. All of the enterprise Mural data is now synced in Graph, which Copilot can use to answer various user prompts, as Stan will be showing us.
So where I find summarization really helpful is if you have a meeting in Mural and you have a lot of content that was generated from that meeting, for example, a retrospective. What's helpful is to, right after the meeting, use Copilot to summarize the content in that mural And in this case, I'm actually going to ask it to summarize it by sentiment. So immediately we have a list of positive and negative items that were discussed in that meeting, along with some suggestions for improvement that were discussed as well. What can also be helpful is to follow up and ask for some suggested action items and next steps. Okay, so now that you've seen more about what the Mural Graph Connector can empower Copilot to do, we're going to now switch gears a little bit and talk to you about some exciting updates coming to our Azure DevOps integration. So today you can already import work items into Mural as sticky notes, but what we're excited to bring into Mural is the ability to see the most up-to-date information from Azure DevOps directly from Mural. So what this empowers you to do is to be confident that you're working with the most up-to-date information. So for example, let's say this team, after evaluating this work item in Mural, came into Azure DevOps and decided they think this is a story that has 8 story points instead of 5. So now when somebody else comes back to this Mural and evaluates this work item, they'll see that the story points are 8, just like the team set up in Azure DevOps. Another thing that you can do from Mural is actually change data in Azure DevOps. So in this case, let's say the team decided to reopen this work item from Mural. They can then sync it directly to Azure DevOps so that when I go back to Azure DevOps, you can see the state is now active. So what this ensures is that whenever you're working with Azure DevOps work items in Mural, you can be confident that you have the most up-to-date information in front of you so that you can have a true lay of the land of what's going on in your project.
That was a great demo, Dan. Thank you for joining us to learn about Mural, our integration with Copilot, and the exciting new Azure DevOps two-way sync capabilities coming to Mural. Ready to create something extraordinary and sensible? Join us at our booth at Microsoft Build.